Hey Mama Girl, welcome back to my channel to another episode of Prep and Land, and today we are diving into the exciting world of Cowgirl vacations. I know you're ready. I know you're ready for a getaway that takes you away from the hustle and bustle of your life. So let's explore two fabulous options: country music themed vacations and ranch life adventures. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Momma Girl community. You won't want to miss out on all of the exciting travels and adventures that we share. So listen, grab your water, grab your popcorn, grab whatever, and come on in here and let's have good conversation. If planning trips has you stressed out and ready to give up, listen, I've got your back. Hey girl, I am Jamie, your travel agent, and I'm here to make travel easy and joyful for you and your family. No more frustration, just fun, adventure, and memories that last a lifetime. Let's get you back to living and loving life on the road. Shall we begin? So, Mama Girl, what do I mean when I say cowgirl vacation? When I think cowgirl vacation, I'm thinking riding on the horse through the grass, either in Pride and Prejudice, how you had that prairie area, or you are Team Kate from Bridgerton and you're riding through the grass on the horse. That's what I'm thinking of. It's escaping. It is freeing yourself from the norm, getting down to the root, getting down to the nature of the things, having your cowgirl hat on, putting your cow boots on, just having s'mores around the fireplace, roughing it in the woods, going straight camping old school, or having elements of glamping, just out there enjoying nature, enjoying life, doing something different together with the family and having a good time. That is my cowgirl experience. One of them. Another one is enjoying country music, doing line dancing, going to the different museums, going to different monuments or different locations of where famous country songs were created, enjoying the country vibes. Enjoying the country vibes. That is a cowgirl vacation. And if that sounds like something that you are interested in, I've learned it. It's now time for you to learn it. So come on in here. Let's learn together. So let's break this thing down because it was a lot. I gave you a lot of descriptions. So let's break this thing down. Let's talk about country music themed vacations. Okay, so country music isn't just about the tunes. It's about a feeling that resonates through America's landscape. Listen, imagine gathering around the campfires and strumming guitars and soaking up a sense of community and shared experiences. Can we just envision that? Yes! During these vacations, you'll explore iconic music sites, dive into the genre's rich history, and even catch a live performance or two, or three, or four, whichever. You're a grown woman, you can make your own decisions about who you go see, and I support it as long as it's legal. Listen, popular destinations like Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, Owensburg, Kentucky, and Branson, Missouri will have you feeling all the country vibes. Now grab those goals that I asked you to jot down. Please tell me you jotted it down. I dedicated a whole video for you to jot down your goals. Did you do it? I know you did. Go ahead and grab them. Grab those goals and let's see if the country music vacation is a perfect fit for you and your crew. Here's what you can dive into on a country music themed vacation, Mama Girl. Exploring iconic music sites, attending live performances that'll have you dancing your boots off, honey. Connecting with fellow fans who share your love for the tunes. Collecting unique memorabilia to cherish those memories. Embracing the rich Southern culture and hospitality. Listen, if those items checked off any or some or all of your goals, listen, a country music adventure should be on the bucket list for you. For you, Momma Girl. For you. Now, let's talk about these ranch vacations, Momma Girl. While they share the same goals with country music trips, ranch vacations are all about experiencing the culture firsthand. And you have variety with this thing. Listen, you can choose to rough it and go old school, get you a tent and get you some camping gear and know how to make a fire and know how to put the fire out so you don't cause forest fires. Just roughing it in the woods. Or you can just go ahead and go glamping. I've been camping before. I love camping. However, glamping is now my ministry. I cannot do the roughing. I can't. Glamping is now my ministry. Or you can even go to dude ranches. Those are really cool. But we're going to actually talk about ranches and dude ranches. I'm so excited. So excited. So let's get started. And Momma Girl, you have options with this thing. You can either choose to rough it. You can choose to rough it. Or you can be like me, myself, and I and choose to have a glamping experience or even a ranch experience or even a dude ranch experience. Listen, the options are plentiful and you get to choose. And whatever decision you choose, Momma Girl, I support it as long as it's legal. But let's continue. Listen, ranch vacations offer countless activities from horseback riding. Yes, horseback riding, to cattle driving and hiking and swimming, all the things. Plus, you get to meet fellow travelers from around the globe, making your adventure even more memorable. Listen, some key goals for a ranch vacation include horseback riding through scenic trails, trying hands-on ranch activities like archery, unwinding in a peaceful, rustic setting, bonding with family through group activities like fishing and campfire nights and s'mores, the scary stories, the banjo playing, going back, honey, all the things, singing miserably, looking at the stars, trying to find the Big Dipper, being wrong, making up star names to constellations of your own. Instead of calling it the Big Dipper, maybe calling it a pot, whatever. Having fun with the family. That is what all ranch vacations are about. In today's fast-paced world, taking time to unplug is crucial and great for your mental health. A ranch vacation not only rejuvenates your spirit, but it also helps you strengthen your relationship with your loved ones. Listen, imagine the memories that you'll create away from the everyday distractions. So, Momma Girl, I'm curious. So I want to know, which vacation are you dreaming of? Are you team country music vacation or are you team ranch life vacation? Let me know in the comments below. Let us start this conversation. I can actually do both. I can actually do both. I actually enjoy a little bit of country music and I actually enjoy the idea of horseback riding and making s'mores and glamping. I enjoy both, but I do want to know what you think. Listen, when you're ready, I'm ready, and I want to help you book your personal Cowgirl vacation experience. Listen, we can customize it to the T for you and your family. You can visit me at www.prepandland.com. That's www.prepandland.com. Okay? And listen, I will help you personalize your vacation, or you can look on the website to see if there's any other vacation that tickles your fancy. Yes, Momma Girl. As always, Momma Girl, thank you for joining me today, and I want you to remember to choose to make life an experience and experience the life that you choose. Do not just exist. Live. Okay? Okay. I love you, Momma Girl. Peace.